Is there a built-in function for string natural sort? I have a list of strings for which I would like to perform a natural alphabetical sort. For instance, the following list is naturally sorted, what I want. And here's the sorted version of the above list, what I get using sorted. I'm looking for a sort function which behaves like the first one.
There is a third-party library for this on Pippi called natsort. Full disclosure, I am the package's author. For your case, you can do either of the following. You should note that natsort uses a general algorithm, so it should work for just about any input that you throw at it. If you want more details on why you might choose a library to do this rather than rolling your own function, check out the natsort documentation's How It Works page, in particular the Special Cases Everywhere section. If you need a sorting key instead of a sorting function, use either of the below formulas. Update November 2020. Given that a popular request/question is how to sort like Windows Explorer, or whatever is your operating system's file system browser, as of natsort version 7.1.0 there is a function called us_sorted to do exactly this. On Windows, it will sort in the same order as Windows Explorer, and on other operating systems it should sort like whatever is the local file system browser. For those needing a sort key, you can use os_sort_keygen, or os_sort_key if you just need the defaults. Caveat: please read the API documentation for this function before you use to understand the limitations and how to get best results.
Try this. Output. Code adapted from here, sorting for humans, natural sort order.
Here's a much more Pythonic version of Mark Byers' answer. Now this function can be used as a key in any function that uses it, like list.sort, sorted, max, etc. As a lambda. Fully reproducible demo code.
Let's analyze the data. The digit capacity of all elements is 2. And there are 3 letters in common literal part elm. So, the maximal length of element is 5. We can increase this value to make sure, for example, to 8. Bearing that in mind, we've got a one-line solution. Without regular expressions and external libraries. Explanation. I wrote a function based on this URL, which adds the ability to still pass in your own key parameter. I need this in order to perform a natural sort of lists that contain more complex objects, not just strings. For example,